driving in the rain.
No, it's awesome.
Nobody on the road. Yeah. Hill over there in front of us. Look at this beauty, guys. Lunch for today. Musambi juice. Hi everyone, welcome to my new vlog. So today's vlog is about a trip tour. We are going on a weekend trip nearby Bangalore boundaries. So the place is called, what is it?
Devarayana Durga.
So we are heading towards Devarayana Durga.
It's in the Tumkur district of Karnataka.
Yeah.
On the fringes of Bangalore.
Yes. And so it will be like full of greenery, ghat roads, curves, and we are on Bolero.
Devarayana Durga is known for leopards because it has a forest filled with shrubs and thorny bushes. But not sure whether we'll be lucky enough to see one. Let's check that out. Because most of the times the leopard sighting, leopards enter into houses. One of the leopards 3 months back was sleeping under a cot in the house, etc.
Yeah.
All that happens in Tumkur. So let's see.
Tumkur and also Chikaballapur is known for its leopard population, and they come and eat the dogs, cattle. They attack the cattle. So a lot of news about that. So let's see, if we are lucky, we can see the leopard there. So we never know the wild animals when they come, when they go. So we are on the Tumkur road already, and we have already crossed IKEA, metro
Madhavara.
station, Madhavara, and all that. So now we are yet to reach Nelamangala. Hanuman temple at Tumkur road. Whether we can see Anjaneya Hanuman from here.
Huge one.
Yeah. So that's a beautiful Hanuman temple here. Wow. So look at the cloud here. It's getting dark. There could be a rain, but rain and nature, it would be a better combination. But on the Ghat road, let's see. It's a beautiful cloud here, sky here. Tumkur road, we didn't find much hotel now. So this is the Holige Mane, Malnad Holige Mane, which we have found here. So it's another 1 hour to reach Devarayana Durga. Lunch for today: Musambi juice, Kai Holige, coconut Holige, onion samosa, and pumpkin Kasi halwa. Lunch, we have started again, and it was raining. Look at that lorry there, splashing water. Nature view on the way to Devarayana Durga. Look at these beautiful cows here. There are a lot of bettas here, hills for trekking and all that. So if you see, there are also some more. Meant for its scenic beauty, guys. The hill over there in front of us, it's all covered with fog, I guess, or rain. Look at this beauty, guys. Can you see this view? House over there, here. Cows are here. That's the Mandagiri Betta here. So that's the Jain temple, Mandaragiri Betta. Oh my god, it's beautiful, and the color and
Get down and take the pics.
pathway to the Devarayana Durga. And beautiful farming scenery here. And arkanut trees.
Turn left.
So it's another 23 minutes, 14 kilometers. And we have reached a village here. Look at the scenery. It raining. Nobody on the road. But the rain is heavy. Very heavy here. So we reached a village just here, and yeah, see this beautiful view of the river.
It's not a
And
river.
we are getting
it's
into
a
the
lake.
forest. It's a lake. Okay,
it's
yeah.
not a river.
Devarayana Durga is
development work.
closed now.
Road.
Looks like some development work. Road work is going on. So we are getting back to Bangalore. What do you think of driving in the rain?
No, it's awesome. Although we couldn't go to the top on Devarayana Durga,
Yeah.
the drive
Continue
through
on
the
Devarayana
nature,
Durga Road
villages,
for 1.5 kilometers.
and the villages
Yeah.
and the rural hamlets.
Yeah.
It's been great.
True.
It's
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
So it's always the journey which counts in life,
Yeah, and the
not the
rain.
destination.
And nobody were on the road, and it was really
Peaceful.
peaceful and such a beautiful drive. And we are enjoying. And we have still more to go.
We should now watch out for a cup of tea.
Yes. Let's go for it. And this beautiful lake is really very nice, very lovely it is. A lot of monkeys here.
Today I saved you from monkey by closing the window.
Window, yeah.
It's all full of white.
There could be bears.
Forest department has arranged for treks, so you have to pay a nominal fee, and you have to start early in the morning, like 7 or so, and there are guided treks. Devarayana Durga is one amongst them, but you have to do pre-booking because they allow only limited number of people, and nowadays most of the people in Bangalore want to kind of trek and get away from the hustle. So you can try out trekking at Devarayana Durga.
Enjoyed our drive today to Devarayana
We
Durga.
continue to enjoy.
We
because
continue to enjoy because we are on the way back to Bangalore and still more to go. So I am ending the vlog for today now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Bye Sunil.
Bye.